Welcome back to the crawl space encounters. Got ourselves another one here. Alright. What do we got here? Alright. That's pretty nasty. It's a very nice house, but I can tell we'll probably already have some moisture issues. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Okay. Let's go this way. So basically this is a deck just above the crawl space. Nice snake skin right there. It's pretty old. I see a sump pump down there at the bottom of the crawl space. The HVAC system definitely drips a lot of water during times of rain. This crawl space is fairly tall. Look at that. That is disgusting. Yikes. Wow, look at this water heater. It's so important to cover that up down there. Keep that moisture away from it. Yeah, this water heater is about to go. How rusted the bottom of this is. Alright, well, look at this guy. My favorite thing to see. I don't know if that's hot, nor am I going to find out. Man, look at all that mineral deposit. Well, I think we're coming already up on some issues here. Nice snake skin. Just busting holes. Just to run a dryer vent. They're gonna butcher the rafter and everything else. I'm sure they probably could have ran this right through one of those crawl space vents. They make vents for those. That was an old termite mud tube. On the back side, we also have a vent, a deck. See what happens is all that water from the deck falls in here. It's all pressure treated lumber, but this is not. So the humidity from the water that comes in starts forming fungi. And you can see that this the humidity that comes in from the deck is beating up on these lines here. That's why you see all those water marks on the vapor barrier, because this guy drips a whole lot of water when it's humid outside. Look at that. It's disgusting. Oh yeah, that deck is pretty big in the front. It's a covered deck. The water will still find its way in. You can just tell by the water marks. Water has been dripping down. Wow. Even a crawl space this size. Got a nice height in here. Still, you can see your insulation is all just starting to flake off. Yeesh. If you want to fix this vapor barrier, I got some spores here. See how wet the earth is? Look how wet that is. You want to cover this all up so you have all that mineral deposit. Hang tight. There we go. This puppy just drips water. We've had some work done here and there. I'll tell you what, those duct lines on that HVAC system would not sit well with me. I just don't like that. It's rusty. It's moldy. I'm sure it's pretty stinky. You know, people just get used to the smell in their homes. And that ain't right. Water intrusion here. That French drain. You think that's doing anything? Probably not. It's probably filled with dirt. See how this has got little slits in there, so that the water can come in. What do you think is going into this pipe? Dirt. Fill it up with gravel. Put gravel around it. Yeah, that's getting filled up with dirt. Clay. The insulation just starting to drip down from that moisture. That's not good. I'd probably close this off right here, all the way down there, with some thicker poly. Kind of close this portion off. I'd do the same thing on the other side. I'd run a commercial grade dehumidifier down here and encapsulate this puppy. We can tell the wood is starting to take a little bit of a beating. Your appliances, your water heater down there is not looking too hot. HVAC system What's it good? You got insulation hanging on some wires. Your condensation line from your AC coming down and then out. This little thingamajiggy that they put here together for the condensation line. I guess it's pretty cool. Or you can put some straps, nail them to the rafters. I don't know. I guess everybody's different. This is an electric unit HVAC. It's a big house. Man, that is filthy. Dirty. This is the bottom of the HVAC. Alright, well. These rafters are getting some fungi on them. This place needs a good cleaning up. Smells down here, musky. I can't get over that water heater. That thing's gonna pop. It looks like it's kind of slanted there. Hey, you can't notice? Hey, let me help you. See, that thing is slanted. Oh, the rust alone at the bottom of that thing is alarming. Alright, well, crazy. I don't know why they put these decks like this so that all this water just falls in here. The humidity all ends up in there. Not a good idea. Needs to separate it from the rest of the house somehow. They just bust all these holes through the concrete. And they want to know why they get mice and snakes and all kinds of critters down here. You're just inviting them over all these holes. Alright folks, found a few issues here. Let the homeowner know what's happening, and we'll see you in the next one.